Today, in our one-day chef activity, we invited 4 students to follow the chefs to participate in the entire process, so that they can understand how the food they eat every day is prepared. By participating personally, they can truly feel that every bit of food is not easily obtained, and develop good dining habits, maintain a balanced diet, and cherish food.
I really like it when we wash the broccolis also, because it shows a lot of effort for making all those food. We had to be thankful for them because they woke up at 6 o'clock and then they start to work in the early morning, and then they work very hard just for the school, all the kids to eat lunch. The process of the hamburgers is first like you put the bread, and then you put the meat, you put the cheese, and then you put the lettuce, and then you put the mayonnaise, and then you put the other bread, and then you put it into the stove. It is very clean, A-grade level. This process is very fun and is very hygienic. It was a very big pot, like a wok, a very big wok. You have to use like a shovel to cook it. I feel like they're gonna be very tired all the time. It is hard to do this type of stuff. I'm lucky that I got the opportunity to do this. And I wanna learn about more how they cook. Thank you to all of the staff members for the kitchen and the cafeteria. They're very nice and helpful.
I came to the kitchen to help the people deliver the food and carry the food to the front and give the food to the students. We have hamburgers, broccoli, and chicken wings today. It's a kind of a American food day. As a student, like I was before, I get the food and then go eat. But today I was the kitchen's helper to deliver the food to the others. It was a very different experience.
In this tour, I looked at some of the tools used for disinfecting the dishes and the process of washing the dishes. I also experienced some part of that process and tried it out for myself. I think that the washing and disinfecting process of the dishes were pretty nice and very clean. Thank you for the people in the kitchen to give us a clean and nice dining environment.
Take what you need, eat what you take. Save food, save the future.
Don't waste the food, just taste it.
Take what you need, eat what you take.